Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Russell Brunson's perfect webinar secrets, all right? So you land on this page and you're wondering, should you actually invest in this program? What are you going to learn? Should you be doing webinars to sell your products online? And is this kind of worth your time, okay? So I'm going to review Russell Brunson's perfect webinar secrets, and then you can decide for yourself whether you want to invest in this particular training product, all right? So what is perfect webinar secrets all about? Well, this is actually Russell Brunson's signature webinar training program. Now, Russell Brunson, if you don't already know, he is an extremely successful internet entrepreneur. His company ClickFunnels, which is one of the biggest funnel builders, page builders in the world, does about $300 million a year. So it's a big business. And Russell is a great trainer. I mean, he's one of the pioneers in the affiliate marketing, product creation, internet marketing space, right? And he made ClickFunnels really big with the webinar. Okay, now webinars have been around for a very long time. All a webinar is it's an online presentation. So you basically train people for usually about an hour and a half, and then the final half an hour you basically pitch them, okay? And you can sell literally any sort of digital product, generally speaking, any sort of training course. And this is relevant for you if you're an affiliate marketer selling other people's products, or you're a coach, an expert, a consultant, or maybe you're trying to sell your own products online. This is actually even relevant for e-commerce products. As long as you have the right sales funnel on the back end, you can close high ticket programs through webinars and get people onto the phone. So it's quite a versatile model. And so let's talk about it, how much it's going to cost, does it have a refund and all that kind of stuff, right? And whether it's really relevant for you. So if you actually go through the sales page, it's a very nice sales page. I mean, Russell is a great trainer. He's a great marketer. He's one of the best in the world, honestly, right? And it's actually a very cheap program. It's only $7, okay? So for $7, what are you getting? Okay, now for $7, you're basically going to get the full training on how the perfect webinar model works, okay? So that's roughly about a 1 hour training. And then you're gonna get the stack and close training, where he teaches you how to create your offer, how to stack it, how to build that irresistibility, and then how do you close people, how do you transition from training to a close on the webinar, how to do it very seamlessly. That's roughly about a 2 hour and 18-minute training. And then the end is he gives you funnels as well. So he does give you 16 funnels that you can choose from for your own webinar, depending on what industry you're in. And that's a 35-minute training, okay? You get all of that for $7. So it's a crazy steal. I mean, I'm surprised that he's selling it for that cheap, because all that training, I mean, it's literally like, almost 3 hours of training, and he's giving it away for $7. It's crazy, okay? The only thing that you really need on top of that I think is relevant for this particular offer is you need to buy the slides, okay? Now, you don't have to buy them, they're optional, but if you want the PowerPoint slides to make your job easier of creating a webinar, then you have to upgrade for $47.50. Okay, $47.50. Again, I think it's a steal, because to get his slides for you to just kind of edit over for $47.50 plus this training for additional $7, that's roughly about $54, $55. It is very cheap, okay? And it also comes with a 30-day no questions asked refund if you want, all right? So it's a very cheap product, but it's a very good product, and it's going to teach you how to do webinars. There are 2 upsells. There's a 10x secrets masterclass, where he teaches you basically how he sold and launched a product to 9,000 people. All right, that's a $297 upsell. It's optional, you don't need to get it. And then the second upsell is the 10x closing secrets, which is also $297. Again, optional, you don't have to get it if you don't want to. That's where he teaches you how to close using stories on stage. Okay, so different types of trainings all around launching, closing, and selling more products if you want. So 2 optional upsells if you want. Or you can just get, the perfect webinar secrets for $7 and then buy the slides. Again, if you're gonna buy this for $7, you don't have to buy the slides, but if you're gonna really do this, then it makes sense for you to buy the slides. Otherwise, you have to create all your own slides from scratch, which can be quite difficult, okay? So that's Russell Brunson's perfect webinar secrets in a nutshell. Is it a good program? I think it's a great program. I own this. I've used Russell Brunson's model to do my own webinars, to sell lots of courses online through webinars. So I highly recommend it. You know, it's got my stamp of approval. Pretty much anything Russell Brunson does is awesome. Okay, he's just a great guy. He's a great marketer. He really over delivers. So if you're one of those people, an affiliate marketer, a trainer, a coach, a consultant, an expert, you want to sell something online, and you want to consider doing the webinar model, then I would highly recommend the Perfect Webinar Secrets Blueprint, because it's really going to help you. The only thing that I would say about webinars is that it's not for everybody, okay? Unfortunately, with the webinar model, even though Russell Brunson's formula here is great and it works, you know, the stack, I mean, he created the stack, he created the close. A lot of people use his stuff, all right? So when you go onto a lot of webinars, a lot of what you see is actually from Russell Brunson, and everything that he's figured out from all his, you know, expensive trainings that he spent money on and all his years in marketing. So it's quite a similar model when you see a lot of different webinars. The only thing that I would say about doing a webinar specifically is not really about the Perfect Webinar Secrets. It's about, if you are considering doing a webinar, you have to remember that not everyone can do a webinar well. Okay, so in order for you to execute this, you're going to have to practice a lot. You're going to have to be pretty good on camera. You're going to have to be okay creating slides, and you have to be okay with practicing a lot in order to get really good at it. All right, and unfortunately, not everybody's going to get good at it, because webinars is quite a difficult thing to do. To create, I mean, an average webinar is like 150 to 200 slides. So you're going to have to create all the slides. All right, even if you buy the slide deck, you're still gonna have to create them. You're gonna have to practice a lot, and you're gonna have to do a lot of live webinars over and over and over again every single, you know, week, every few days, to get that practice before you get good at it. Okay, so if you're not willing to do that, then you can't do webinars. That's basically the problem with webinars, is that not everybody's going to be good at it, because it requires you to really practice and, you know, become excellent at it before you start making sales. Okay, another thing that I want to mention about this particular training is that Russell Brunson doesn't teach you any traffic for $7, okay? Because he can't. You know, it's $7. You're not paying that much money for the program, so you know, he can't give you traffic training. So there's no traffic training for this. So yes, it's going to teach you the full webinar blueprint, but you're going to have to figure out yourself how to get traffic to that webinar, okay? And that's okay. I mean, again, you're paying only $7, roughly, again, $55 if you buy the slides. So you can't expect the world for this particular program, right? But I just wanted to make that clear, that you're going to learn how to do the webinars, but you're not going to learn how to drive traffic to the webinars, okay? So you're going to have to learn that separately. And again, webinars isn't for everybody, because again, it's difficult. Doing a webinar is difficult. Even if you have the templates and the formula, you're still going to have to perform as a marketer, recording it, doing it live, and doing it to, you know, sometimes hundreds of people. So if you're uncomfortable with doing that, and you're not willing to push yourself to learn how to, you know, gain the skills to do that, then maybe the webinar model isn't exactly for you, okay? But otherwise, as a program, it's a great program. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this review today. If you're watching this video right now, perhaps you're somebody who is looking to make money on the internet. Maybe you haven't made $1 yet. There are lots of different ways to make money online. I've been marketing online for over a decade now. I've made over $1 million in commission selling other people's products. So if you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a free 6-figure workshop that will teach you step by step how I was able to do that. You can register it for free. If you want, just click the link in the description box or the comment below. And I hope you enjoyed this review of Russell Brunson's Perfect Webinar Secrets, and I hope to see you on the workshop soon or on another video. Take care.